Yeah.
SE bike, so I was like, let me hit this fool up.
All the way. Can we make it? City grounds.
I got mine in Fullerton. I got me, what's that? Big block flyer. Fucking block flyer, and it's
Oh yeah.
the camouflage one.
Oh, the camo and orange?
Yeah.
I was gonna get that one, honestly. I just thought maybe I'd be too long for it, but that was actually the one I was originally gonna get, was the blocks flyer and the camo and orange. I thought that was dope.
Like, do a wheelie like that?
Once you know like balance point, I mean, not that hard, honestly. You can just ride for days. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna be trying that shit. I'll hit you up. Are you on Instagram too?
I don't have Instagram, but message me on there, dude, and we'll link up. Or I don't even have my phone; it's charging. Do you have your phone?
I live in California, so if you want to.
Oh, you don't live here?
Nah, man, I'm just here visiting. I do tattoos, so I'm just.
Oh shit. Okay, well.
And I see you riding. You were the first person I've seen here.
Yeah.
SE bike, so I was like, let me hit this fool up.
Yeah, then there's no one that wants to ride ever usually, and the people that.
I was gonna bring my bike too on the train, but I was like, nah, then it's gonna get all fucked up.
Yeah. It's okay.
What?
Yeah, no, you should have brought it, dude. I'd have been down. We could have made a video or something. I usually ride out here at night and.
Come out there, or just take a train out there, and then, or vice versa. I come out here all the time. We'll set it up.
Yeah, dude, message me. I go by KASKET, but let me know, dude. Message me on there or. I don't. I actually have a few friends that do. One of my friends, Kyle, he's actually really good. There's a Acme recycling metal place, and you could see like the whole block is lit up. The walls are painted. I mean, it wraps all the way around, but you'll see it from the street. Club? Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, I appreciate it, dude. Let me know. Yeah. Sounds good. Nice to meet you. Yeah. You too. Who's from Cali, wanted to ride. That's what's up. Almost fell. Thank you. She's been getting a lot of love lately. I fuck with it. Now we just gotta grow that channel so I can do my special event for you guys. Like I've been planning on doing, I've just been holding off, but I didn't forget. We're just waiting to get to 100 and then continuously growing. Slight work, not the right work. Yeah, I couldn't remember what my friend Kyle wrote, or what he writes. But he fucking kills it. He's been killing that shit since we were in middle school. Real shit. He used to teach me how to do that shit back in the day, but I was not anything close. Like he straight tore that shit up every day. Shout out all. Oh shit. Here we go. Here we go. Getting chased by a dog again. Oh, shout out everyone leaving comments and shit in my videos. I read all them shits, like I said. I really do. I read all that shit. That just means you show love. Yo, when you see me catch videos of me out in traffic, send me them shits, message me. We'll get them up, I'll tag you in that shit. And if you want to ride, let's go. Just let me know. Always willing to ride. So he's showing love too. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Appreciate all the support, guys. Let's get 200 subscribers, keep growing. Trying to put out content for you guys that you guys enjoy, shit that I enjoy doing, so appreciate you guys being here. What's up, guys?